In this short video, I'll be showing you how to find the various word forms for the target vocabulary that you'll be working with this semester, and also how to find the parts of speech of these word forms. So we'll start at the ESL 28 Canvas homepage, which you should be familiar with by now. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the course reference websites. And we're going to first of all open academic vocabulary word forms. Click on this. It'll take us to using English for academic purposes, or UEFAP.com. We'll need this website, but we'll also need a dictionary as well. So we're going to go back and we're going to open the Longman Dictionary. So we're going to start with the UEFAP.com website, and we want to look up the word forms for the word consume. So as you can see, the words are in alphabetical order, and we're going to go down to consume, and right here we have consume. Now we have the common word forms of consume right here: consumed, consumer, consumers, consumes, consuming, and consumption. Now we want to know the parts of speech for these word forms. So if you don't know them already, you'll have to use the Longman Dictionary. So let's say that we want to know the word form for the word consumption, this word form. So we're going to go back to the Longman Dictionary. We'll type in consumption. Do a search, and we can find that we have consumption here, and the part of speech is noun. So that's the way that you'll find the word forms, the various word forms of the target vocabulary from each chapter in the text we're using, and also how to find the part of speech of the word form that you're looking up.